Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Express newspaper headline. So, first of all, AI's jumbo order to cost $70 billion. Next, SkyMed predicts searing summer. Next, Adani firms mid cap below $7 trillion. Next, scrutiny of IDBI Bank bidders to begin after Holi. Next, HZL scouts for $2.5 billion zinc assets abroad. Next, $100 billion dues Carel Aviation to pick up 7.5% in SpiceJet. Next, choppy market, rich valuation but put brakes on IPOs. Next, Vodafone Idea issues bond worth rupees 1200 crore to ATC. Next, EPFO option for higher pension by May 3. Next, DVG IPOs 3.7 multiply returns for Nilekani Family Trust. Next, CPSC dividend receipts exits FY23 RE. Next, Shri NCLT urged to set aside insolvency. Next, Apple supplier halts production after fire. Next, SBI expected strong 14 to 16% credit growth. Next, ChatGPT has to be developed further for HR to use it. On page number 2 in economy section, under that CAG blue economy may be the next multiplier of GDP. Next, probe into lapses in import of fishing net. Next, Denmark for close clean energy ties with India. Next, auditors of top firms to store records in entity digit locker. Next, keep capped national interest on top while importing cheaper fuel. Sitaraman. Next, EPFO suppliers, sorry, EPFO subscribers can option for higher pension by my 3. Next, UNDP Niti Aayog host global hackathon. Next, on page number 4 in company section, under that Acer launches $3.6 billion arm for India and UK. Next, Citroen launches India's second most affordable e-car. Next, Sailesh Pathak named Fasai Secretary General. Next, Physics Wala to form a JV with Utkarsh classes. Next, India INC profit margin narrows on Q3 says ICRA. Next, Dalmia Cement Bharat backs coal mine in MP. Next, Infosys roll out private 5G has a service. Next, NPPA fixes retail price of 74 drug formulation. Next, Acer launches $3.6 million arm for India and UK. Next, Airtel 5G user base crosses 10 billion. Next, India's cheap market to hit $55 billion by 26. Deloitte. Next, record aircraft order to hinge on pilot availability. Next, NCLT upholds Adani's Korba West Power bid. Next, $400 MN fundraise report falls Adani. Then I comes to page number 5 in company section. Under that, Tata looks to brew more premium coffee brands. Next, Yulu rolls out 2 vehicles to tab more commuters. Next, DRL to buy Mini Pharma for $105 million. Next, no production cuts planned for March. Bajaj Auto. Next, High Court to Center take call on attachment of DMRC asset. On page number 6 in opinion section, under that speed up FTA reviews. Next, the myth of the inevitable Petroyan. Next, counter institutiveness and AI. Next, how to regulate digital assets. On page number 7 in investor section of that, SBI expects strong 14 to 16% credit growth in FY24. Next, Lupin to focus more on a specialty segment for future growth. Next, Volta's Q4 should see a 250 basis point expansion. Next, Divi's Lab automates its AI facilities with Juniper's help. Next, ChatGPT has to be developed further for HR to use it. Then I comes to page number 8 in international section, under that China US face off over Taiwan, streets fly through. Next, Pfizer eyes Seagen in multi-billion dollar deal. Next, UK strikes deal with EU over North Ireland. Next, Hawaii dominates Mobile World Congress despite US sanctions. Next, death toll in Idlian shipwreck rises to 62. Next, NASA SpaceX postpone launch of next space station crew. Next, North Korea holds rare meeting on farming amid food shortage. On page number 9, in market section, under that, Z Entertainment shares double tumble 6%. Next, NSEL way to have wealth commodities registration cancelled. Next, banks focusing on expanding unsecured retail loan portfolio. Next, SEBI's upstreaming दिक्कत में rise concerns concentration risk. Next, a dollar 190 billion route puts China's tech companies near bear zone. Next, bank credit grows 16.8% in quarter 3 RBI. Next, composite license no threat to standalone health insurers. On page number 10, in market section, that Adani Group performs mid cap shrinks below 7 trillion. Next, Nilikani Family Trust likely to make 3.7 multiply return in the VG IPO. Next, set aside insolvency admission East while is Shri promoter. Next, after a century, city named to vanish from branches ATM. Next, RBI issues COVID measures compendium. On page number 14, in back page section of that, behind the jumbo aircraft orders. Next, restaurant push back at Zomato plan. That much for today. Next, Deccan to be first foreign varsity with India campus. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Mega good day.